Hi everyone, welcome to the session on Agile methodology. Today we are going to see the topic as Agile drivers from Unit 5 Agility and Quality Assurance. So, Agile drivers are the key factor that motivate the organization to adapt Agile methods instead of traditional software development approach. So, these drivers include the need for faster delivery, better customer satisfaction, improved quality, flexibility to handle changes, and a stronger team collaboration. In simple terms, Agile drivers are the reason why companies choose Agile in the now we will see on the next slide, that is Agile drivers. Agile drivers are the key motivators behind adapting the Agile practices. They align the business goals with customers and market needs. So agility focus on adaptability, transparency and collaboration, and also it helps organization delivers the frequent and valuable customers outcomes in it encourages the innovation through the rapid feedback and experimentations, and it transforms the teams into flexible value driven units. Here the outcome is the continuous improvement and business sustainability. In next one is the need for agility. In global market are fast changing and technology driven, traditional method models fail to handle the complexity and unpredictability. So Agile offers the flexibility to adapt new business conditions and also prioritize the customer needs over the rigid planning. This makes the encourage the proactive response to change, so that provide structure for constant innovation and learning. It ensures the long-term competitiveness and adaptability. Next one is the understanding the agile drivers. Agile drivers are the most motivation pushing organization towards agile. It reflect a desire for efficiency, adaptability, and collaboration, and also focus on integrating in people, process, and technology. And it help align teams to continuously deliver customer value, foster the ownership and empowerment across the department. It also encourage iterative feedback and continuous improvement. It builds the resilient, innovation ready organizations. And next one is the major agile drivers overview. Here the number one is the customer centric value, delivering the frequent user value, adaptability, it adjusting the quickly to market or requirement shift, and collaboration, promoting the teamwork and ownership, transparency, it ensuring the visibility for all stakeholders, innovation and speed, faster development and deployment cycles. So each drivers reinforces the continuous improvement and delivery. Together they form the foundation of an agile mindset. And next one is the customer centric value. Central principles of Agile deliver the maximum customer value. The frequent release ensure the user feedback and satisfaction. So, user stories and the persona help understand the real customer needs. Backlog prioritization focus on what matters most to users. Metrics like the NPS, adoption rate, and engagement measure success. Here, customers participate directly through the sprint reviews. Here, the outcome is the products evolve through the continuous value delivery. And next one is the adaptability. Agile allows the rapid adjustment to changing the priorities. Short sprint ensure the flexibility without the project disruption. Teams respond quickly to market and customer feedback. It helps them minimize the risk and optimize the resource allocation. Frameworks like Scrum, Kanban support the adaptability. It also encourages experimentation and quick iteration cycles. Adaptability converts uncertainty into opportunities. And next one is the collaborations. The collaborations enhance the creativity and shared responsibility. So the cross-functional teams integrate the development, quality assurance, and design. Everyday daily stand-ups keep everyone aligned on progress and issues. Shared tools like the Jira Slack promote the real-time communication. So empowerment builds ownership and mutual accountability, and also improves the morale and productivity through the team synergy, and it collaborations drives innovation through the diverse ideas. In next one is the transparency. Transparency promotes the trust across the teams and stakeholders. Agile artifacts like the burn down charts and dashboards ensure the visibility. Open communication helps identify the blockers early. It improves the stakeholders' confidence through honest reporting. It makes the progress measurable and predictable. It encourages the accountability at every project level, so the visibility helps align the business goals with the executions, outcomes, innovation, and speed. Agile accelerate delivery through the iterative improvement. Frequent releases promote the faster feedback and innovation, and it encourages the experimentations and quick learning from failure. And the continuous integration and DevOps improve the delivery speed. Agility fosters creativity without the compromising the quality. It empowers the teams to explore new ideas with a minimal risk. That drives faster time to market and sustainable innovation. Next one is the organizational agility extends the agile beyond the development to business process. Agile marketing, HR, and operations create the enterprise alignment. It reduces the bureaucracy through the decentralized decision making. It promotes the culture of the collaboration and shared vision. It increases the organizational responsive to disruptions, so it builds the resilience in the fast-paced, evolving industry. The organizational agility transforms the company into adaptive and learning ecosystems. And next one is Agile as a cultural shift. Agile requires a mindset shift, not just the process change. Values collaborations, trust, and shared accountability. It encourages the servant leadership and empowerment. Teams take ownership of outcomes, not just tasks. Here, the culture fosters openness, experimentations, and growth. It celebrates the learning from both the success and failures. Here, the culture becomes a long term differentiator for agility. And next one is the technology as an agile enabler. Automation and CI/CD pipelines accelerate agile delivery. Cloud infrastructure supports the scalability and speed. DevOps practices reduce the deployment risk and downtime. Collaboration tools enhance the disruption team coordination. Data analytics provides the actionable insight for adaptability. Technology ensures the agile practice stay measurable and visible. It empowers the teams to innovate faster with the reliable tools. And next one is the how we are going to measuring the agile drivers means based on the customer value, that is the feedback, satisfaction, and retention metrics. And next one is adaptability, response time, and change frequency. And next is the collaboration, team engagement, and velocity trends, transparency, progress visibility, and reporting consistency. And next is the innovation, release frequency, and experiment outcomes. A balanced metrics reflect both the technical and business agility. Continuous measurement drives performance and growth. And next one is the industry example. Here the number one is the industry example is the Spotify uses the squad for the independent and innovative teams, and Netflix adapts the agile to personalized user experience rapidly. Google implement the OKR for flexible goal alignment. Amazon iterative delivery focused on the customer obsession. Microsoft transition to Agile for faster software development. Tesla iterative agile loops improve the vehicle software continuously. So these examples show how agile power in driving innovation globally. Next one is the overall summary and the key takeaway of this sessions. The agile drivers inspire the organization to pursue the speed and adaptability. The core drivers are customer value, adaptability, collaboration, transparency, and innovation. So agility transforms the culture, process, and technology simultaneously. So it encourages the empower teams and iterative delivery. Real world examples show the measurable business impact. Agile foster resilience and long term competitive advantage. In today's world, agility is essential, it's not an optional. So, thank you.